Okay, what's going on here now? Am I live? I can't tell. Go live. In live stream. Okay. Pop out chat, minimize this. Okay, welcome back to the Precision Daily channel this Friday afternoon. As promised in the screen, as promised in the title, we're going to continue to work on our Python version of our stock analysis program. Okay. Eventually we'll be using it to make a final report using using what? A final report using using Quattro. So let's come back over here. We're using MX Linux Beta 1. This is a much improved version of the current stable version because it actually updates a lot of the software, including Python. But it still has that problem of that the screen resolution not sticking. If I reboot the system, it loses the screen resolution. Okay, but anyway, so the way we run Jupyter Labs within the UV package range. You UV run Jupyter Lab. Okay, otherwise it won't run it because this says run it inside this environment. It just says run this environment. Okay. The things we can do this afternoon. Let's open up our. We can come back and we can review this. Why finance pandas? Pandas TA is a technical analysis program which we use to create our different plots. So plot RSI, plot Bollinger Bands, and there they are, very nice. Okay, let's see. So let's just clear all the output to make sure this really does run. Come up here, load our data. And it says busy, so it does take a moment to load the library. And there's a sample of our data. Okay, now let's do RSI. Are we missing something up here? I'm missing a whole section up here, isn't I? So I'm looking for the code for the RSI plot. There's something missing here. Okay, data index. Somewhere Okay, so we're missing, I believe, this section right here. Well, there's RSI. Okay, good, so that works. Very nice. Let's see something here. Let's get rid of this now so we can come back down here. So, let's go ahead and move NumPy above. Okay, so this is RSI. Okay, and this is Bollinger. And here's Bollinger Bands. Okay, so now let's do, let's see. Let's create a candlestick part. Very popular plot, right? Oh, okay. Let's minimize this. Go over here, new terminal. Let's do UV add plotly. So you can see very quickly added the extra plot. Okay, come back over here now. Yes, volume bars would be nice. We may want to change this opacity. And once again, we don't need that there. That's a really nice Bollinger Band plot, isn't it? So this is kind of odd. Nothing happened. Let's do this. Okay, so let's come back over. Let's copy the whole thing just to see what's going on. Okay, for the sake of argument, let's just get the basic plot to work first of all. Okay. All right. Oh, well, shoot. What this does, So what do you think? Presentation's too light. Let's take a look at simple white, plotly light. That looks okay. You know, my friends, if you're in the background there, by all means, you need to step up and speak now or forever hold your peace, okay? Take a look here. Well, I don't see a lot of views. I see one view. So if you want me to continue, I'm going to give you 5 minutes to respond. So then anyway, to date, what we have is what? We have let's review our plots. We got a RSI plot. We got a Bollinger Band plot. Now we got a candlestick plot with a volume indicator, okay? And I'll stop back up here. This will give YouTube something to look at for the next 5 minutes. So this is since the beginning of the year. This is Ford. Holy smoke, what the devil happened here, Ford? Good grief. Well, Ford, since the first year, it's been as low as $9. That's unbelievable. Candlestick plot. Let's zoom in on this candlestick plot here. Good news. Look, holy smoke, look at this big, what is it? The red means the price closed higher, right? So Ford still has as many up days as down days, okay? So I'm going to say one more time, speak now, forever hold your peace. I'm going to bring this session to a close. So I'm saying goodbye from my MU Linux desktop, and we'll catch you next time.